to success.
Yeah, man.
You know, say first now drink it, so I'm taste it and see what I go on with it. You see me?
Straight vibes, man. You drink this as straight vibes, you know?
Straight vibes.
Yeah, man.
You don't taste straight vibes still, people. You see me?
The one here,
What
the one
here,
here, the unstoppable. Unstoppable, runaway train, are we that?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yo, big up on yourself, you know. You know what I want to do. I want to hit that subscribe button there.
Yeah,
you see
man.
me? Give thanks for the likes and give thanks for the comments them where I drop.
Yeah, man,
You see
right?
me?
That's the thing, there, man.
Enough appreciation. So,
the thing
do the do's. You know, dog, I see the Giants, them a link up, you know, that.
Dog,
You see
this
me?
week was a week in foreign.
Yeah, bro.
You see me?
Yeah.
Miami turn upside down, dog. You see me? For a minute, me hear DJ Khaled say, yo, them work on a song with Bounty Killer, Vibes Cartel, Mavado. But I was surprised when I saw Buju Banton.
Buju Banton did that.
You see me? So, bro, me not have to tell no lie. Every album where DJ Khaled come out with where him have a compilation of great artists, bro,